I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy candy. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, flavored gelatin, sugar, and water. You might also want citric acid for a tangy kick. These simple components are all you need to create delightful, chewy treats right in your own kitchen. We'll start by combining the dry ingredients before adding any liquid. Begin by whisking together your unflavored gelatin, flavored gelatin, and sugar in a medium saucepan. Next, slowly pour in the water, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Place the saucepan over low heat, continuing to stir until the mixture is completely smooth and all the sugar and gelatin have dissolved. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Do not let it boil. Once your gummy mixture is smooth and warm, carefully pour it into your chosen silicone molds. Small droppers can be very helpful for this step, especially with intricate shapes. Transfer the filled molds to the refrigerator and let them chill for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm. This cooling process is crucial for achieving the perfect gummy consistency. After your gummies are fully set, gently pop them out of their molds. For an extra burst of flavor and to prevent sticking, you can toss them in a mixture of sugar and a small amount of citric acid. Store your delightful homemade gummy candies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. They make a fantastic snack or a thoughtful gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.